Guys, again, thanking y'all, all my subs. This will need a little bit of pump up action. Good morning, YouTube. It's Eric with Precision Pressure Wash coming at you today with a video from Clermont, Florida, which is a new spot. We haven't done a lot of work out there. We've done a little bit, not a lot. I got this call from Google, so I'm ranking out there all of a sudden. Don't know why. When I tell you guys I do my own SEO, I do. And when I tell you I'm like entry level with it, I am. So sometimes when I do stuff, might not, it'll pop, my SEO goes somewhere else, I guess. I don't know, guys. I honestly don't understand it. Just enough to be deadly, I guess. I don't know. I'm not going to sit here and try to explain it because I don't fully understand it. I'm going to be honest. But nevertheless, it makes my phone ring when I do what I do with it. But today, guys, look at this. We're on 27, cruising. We're cruising, guys. 60 miles an hour. So now that the traffic's fixed out here, it really is going to change the size of my footprint, really. And then, you know, I'm not going to put my price out on this one because it's a new area and the guy approved it immediately, and it was higher than I usually do because it's such a ride. So that's like got my wheels spinning up there, like maybe I should start trying to get out this way a little bit now that I can. Like when you're running 60 at 9 o'clock in the morning on Highway 27, like on a weekday, that's pretty good. Like that's not how this used to be. The one lane on I-4 fixed everything. Nuts, completely nuts. Anyways, guys, he's back. He's back, my partner in crime. He's going away for a few days. In a couple days, he'll be gone for like 4 days. So figured, hey, why not? We'll shoot a video together before he goes. I think he works his other job tonight and tomorrow, and then he's off for like almost a week. So don't feel bad for him that he's pulling a double. Like I said, guys, he always has that look on his face. Don't know why, but he just does. So don't think I'm out here being mean to him. That's just how he looks. Stay tuned. See you at the job. All right, guys, we are on site. I'm just pulling hose. He's over there getting our supply line set up. He's trying to make sure we don't get it run over because the customer is leaving in a little bit. But I'm going to pull this back here and kind of show you guys what we're doing at the same time. I got to make sure I don't mess this damn plant up. A little plant right there. Looks like it'll break easy. There she is, guys. A little bit of lichen right there. We do have some oxidation issues. All in all, though, there's nothing we can't clean. Nice park back here. That's the problem, though. He's got people that walk around the HOA and they can see all this, so he's getting violated. So we're gonna hook him up, get him off his back, and make a little money in the process. I'm already out of breath, guys. Damn. All right, so the outside isn't as bad as the inside. I have been back here already. Take a look. We are going to hit this furniture. We're going to hit it as we're bringing it back in. Nothing crazy, guys. Anyways, here we are. This has got a little bit of oxidation. You can tell those kick plates usually do. This will need a little bit of pump up action. Oh no, maybe not. It's actually falling off easy. And then coming along on the inside, you see it, guys. A little bit of spider webs. We do have some stuff here. Obviously, the corners are always the low spots. We do have a squeegee, and I do have my partner with me. But yeah, guys, this is gonna come out really good. Really freaking good. I don't know if you guys are picking up on this. I'd say she's due. Anyways, he is gonna paint the deck after this, so we can really get down and put a little pressure on the bad areas. He said there already is chip paint, and I saw it. These plants, that one, these palms especially, are pretty bulletproof, but I will wet it first. But yeah, that's it, guys. Look at this thing. I think this will be a good transformation video. That'll be our title. We are going to put tape here, and we're going to put tape on the keyholes. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it for property protection. Alright, guys, stay tuned. We go out here, we're going to get everything set up, then we'll pick the video back up.
Alright, y'all, we're on the pre-wet, as you can see.
Yeah, guys, we didn't get a lot of footage of this just because I forgot to put tape, and then I had to do that while he was doing pre-wetting. But we're pretty much done with the pre-wet.
Just about.
We got a little bit of overcast conditions, which is good. Lets the stuff work a little better before it dries up. Giving everything a nice coat of water before we just SH it. It's gonna come out really good, guys.
For sure.
Even those blinds right there are gonna look good. Alright, so stay tuned and we'll be under the washing. We're gonna start on the outside, but right now he's gonna go plug us in the soap. So I'll see you in a few minutes, guys. Alright, guys. We are laying down the soap. Really, it's straight SH with a 2.1 injector, 4 GPM, 250 foot of hose. That's what we're doing. We're hitting this deck, then we're hitting the screen enclosure, then the deck, and then we're gonna wash the furniture as he brings it in. That's the plan. We have weather coming in today. It's been coming in every day though, and we're not complaining. We really, really, really needed the rain, guys. We still need it. This shouldn't be a really long video today, but I'm just trying to show. This one right here, guys, is gonna be a big transformation, so I just decided to go ahead, shoot a video today. Not to mention, he's with me today, he's not always with me, so when he is, I do like to shoot a video every time.
And you can see that there's a little bit of lichen. It's not a ton, but there's a little bit. So I'm gonna have to hit with the 5%.
I'm putting a good coat on, guys. I'm not even bull crapping.
Oh, it's a baby lizard.
Yep, sorry. I usually try to spare all lizards and stuff, but sometimes it's inevitable. They just get gassed. They are invasive, but I still don't try to kill them.
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna have to put this down for a second and go grab the 5%, do a little bit of spraying, and we'll be right back with this. Alright, y'all, most of the soaping's done, and as you can see, look at this. That's working good. You can see all of it here. You got this extra black stuff. Just wipe it right off. That's nice. But yeah, we're about to wrap up the soap, and I'm gonna go drop him in the water, and he'll start cleaning this thing off.
Now guys, if you miss one little piece, like see how I'm cleaning, guys, and I miss that, literally when it dries, you'll see that. So you gotta be thorough when the screens are dirty when you're rinsing. When you see nothing in the holes, that's a good rinse. Guys, as much as I want to talk crap the whole time, I know it's hard to hear me when I'm using this X-Jet. But you guys can definitely see how good it reacted. That was just a 2.1 injector. Revs all the way up. Now guys, you'll still see a little bit of crap running. You got to remember though, you're going to still rinse the inside.
Look at this lichen, y'all. That stuff's dead.
If you got to get close, guys, you got to hit it at an angle like that, or you will screw some screens up. I've done it. Anyways, everything's coming out good. I'm liking it, guys. These aren't my favorite thing to do, the screen enclosures, but they pay decent. And whenever he's with me, I get them done way faster. So that's a plus. I might have you post-treat that. You hear me? Guys, I'll probably have him post-treat this green right here because he is repainting the deck. That's why I'm cleaning this lip so thoroughly. Probably gonna have to pull that air plant by hand. That's what he's for, though. Guys, again, thanking y'all, all my subs. Y'all are watching these videos. I'm gaining traction. Things are starting to happen. I'll be getting a real camera sooner than later now, guys. When I made that statement months ago, I wasn't really sure it would even happen, that I would get monetized. But now, guys, I actually think I am. Unless for some crazy reason I get shadow banned, or I don't know. I don't know how all that works.
Oh, the pressure washers might put a hit out on you or something.
They'll ban me for being too real, guys. That could be the only reason. All right, guys, that's done back there. I got to go out here and drop it in the water. Give the ball valve a little flush out. Not the ball valve, downstream. Anyways, I don't know how long it took because I haven't looked at the time. But I'll go ahead and pick back up when we're doing the walk around. Stay tuned, guys. All right, y'all, we're done here. Customer is stoked, loves it. I love when they get fired up about the results. Yeah, I knew he was gonna be happy because when I saw how bad it was, I knew what I could do, but here we are. Now, guys, I did show you the oxidation on the doors. Both doors seem to be the worst as far as the enclosure, but the rest of it, guys, look at this. We did do the furniture, all the PVC furniture, but look at her, guys. Did this lip out here because he's gonna paint. But yep, it's pretty good, guys. I'm happy with it. He's not gonna put these metal chairs back in on the deck because they're making serious marks, but that's the kind of stuff you gotta think about whenever you guys are buying stuff to go on the deck. But guys, I'm not really gonna come in all the way, but I'll go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Damn. All right, over there you saw in the video, paint's chipping up. He knows he's headed to Lowe's right now to go get paint and a little bit of rust aid. I told him about the rust aid game, that you just spray that on there, but he's painting anyways. But honestly, guys, if I was painting, I would probably get rid of the rust too beforehand. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, help my kid wrap up the hoses and stuff, and then we'll do some truck talk on the way home. Stay tuned. All right, guys, that's a wrap. We're out of here. We're trying to beat this weather. You can see yourself, it's rolling in.
From all sides.
Yeah, it's coming in from all directions. I knew it was coming. I also knew that this wasn't gonna take all day, so I wasn't too worried about it. But it turned out great. The customer loved it, like he did. He really liked it. Me and my partner in crime each got a $20 bill. So lunch is gonna be, we might hit old Cece's up for lunch and go off since we ain't gotta work no more. Anyways, it was a good little result, good transformation. You guys know how it is when I'm doing these screen enclosures. It's a lot of tripod work because you're spraying SH everywhere. And if you're one of those guys that you don't want to get it on you and all that, well then don't take any of those on at all, period. Because it's getting all over you. Even with glasses, it gets in my freaking eyes every time. There's no way around it. And you know, I already know a lot of you guys out of state, really, you guys don't have screen enclosures, but for all you Florida boys, you know what I'm talking about. It is a messy. I said I don't like driveways the most, but I think those are my least fun. And it ain't because of the money, because you actually do get paid on those pretty decent. I feel like it's pretty good, but you just get covered in it and it's so tedious. But guys, I really appreciate all the views, all the subs, all the comments. Guys, I'm gonna get to all my comments. A lot of you guys that's reached out, you know, like it might not be instantly, because guys, I'm not on the computer all the time. I'm not gonna lie. Like if I'm not working, I'm out in the garage messing with fishing stuff, doing work stuff, like
other miscellaneous.
Yeah, you guys know if you got a trailer, a setup, you're always changing, fixing stuff, tightening hose clamps, changing O-rings, stocking the truck up with all the chemicals and stuff that you use, making sure you got your Publix bags in there for covering cameras and stuff. Yeah, look at this, guys. For all y'all boys in Tampa, you probably been dealing with this all morning because that's the direction Tampa's in and it's coming from that way. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna let my partner in crime close it out because he's so good at it, man. When he did it that one time before last, I knew this was his thing. This was his purpose in life. So I'm gonna go ahead, let him get a little bit more redemption, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
What's good, y'all? Apparently my dad thinks I act unnatural on camera, so I guess it'll just be, you know, natural. I'll just try to act all cool and stuff so he doesn't think I'm weird. This has been Precision Pressure Wash. We were in Clermont today. Nice, easy, quick job. Peace out, y'all.
Peace.